Now I would like to call Mr. Narendra. Please come on the stage.
Good morning, everyone. I am Narendra. I am here to tell you something about Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. Children pay respect to teacher on this day. Children dance and racing running. President Dr. Sarvalli Radhakrishnan was born on this day. He was a teacher and taught at many college and many countries celebrated Teachers Day. We should have think teachers and giving us knowledge. They they teachers they guide teachers and serving. They scold us when we are wrong and we are our talent. Happy Teachers Day.
So now I would like to call Nisha. Please come on stage.
Hello everyone, I am Nisha. I am here to tell something about the Teachers' Day. We know very well Teachers' Day is very important role in our life. Without teachers, we cannot achieve anything in life. Teacher's role very important role in our life and all the students' life. If we can follow the teachers, we can get achieve everything in life. Teacher is our second parents. Both they are think about our future. They want to our student and our child go further in life. From me, so from my side, I want to say that happy Teachers Day all students and teachers.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu. I am from Gadipatti Odal. From my side, Happy Teachers Day.
My name is Nitesh. I want to speak two words about Teacher Day. Teacher Day. First, I wish you all very happy Teacher Day. Then we celebrate Teacher Day on 5th September. Actually, this day the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvalli Radhakrishnan and second President of India and first Vice President of India. And Dr. Sarvalli Radhakrishnan was an excellent teacher and philosopher. And many people get success in life by teachers. And teacher is a great person in our life. Behind the success of children there is a hand of teacher, and many children do not respect teachers. He can never success in life. Many student respect children, then he can achieve success in life. Every student of every school must obey his teacher and study with hearty. And teachers show us a right direction. Then teacher is a nation builder. In and I want to say that we should respect teacher. That's all. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nikhil. I am from Hodal. Today is a 5 September. On 5 September, Dr. Sarpalli Radhakrishnan was born. On today day, we celebrate Teachers' Day also. Teacher Day also. He was the second President of India. He was a great teacher. And from my side, Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
I would like to call on a stage Mr. Amit.
Hello everyone, I am Amit Pradhan from Hodal. Firstly of all, very happy Teachers Day to all in my side. Teacher is not only a person, he gives me good things to success in my life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nawab and happy Teachers Day from my side. Just to respect the teachers. A teacher is a really great person who shows right direction us life that is. Thank you all.
Now I would like to call on a stage Mr. Sumit. Please.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sumit Sorot. I live in Gadi. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September. Children pay respect to teacher on this day. Children dance and sing on this day. Many countries celebrates Teachers' Day. Former President Dr. Sarpalli Radhakrishnan was born on this day. They guide children to walk on the right path. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayank. I am here to tell you about my topic is Teacher Day. First, I wish you a very happy Teacher Day. It is my honor to to celebrate the Teacher Day. It is the special occasion to friends. We celebrate on 5th September every year in India with great joy. Actually, this day birth on Sarpalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarpalli Radhakrishnan was an excellent teacher and president of our India. Teacher is the best way for student to express respect for their teachers and thankful and grateful for your all efforts. At last, thankful teacher.
My name is Mukesh. Today my topic is Teachers Day. Teachers is a grand person in about life. This 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 day celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Saroth. I am from Gadipatti Hodal. From my side, Happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is in India's annual celebration. It is celebrated on 5th September. At last, I want to say we should respect the teachers.
Hi everyone, my name is Dev. Today I am speak few words about Teachers Day. According to me, teacher has very special place in our society, and in fact, teacher is a nation builder in our society because they shows the right direction to the children. That's why children get success in our life. Teacher has respect in our society. Behind the success of children, there is a hand of a teacher. If I talk about Teachers Day, is birthday of Dr. Sarpalli Radhakrishnan on September 5th. In the end, I want to say that every student obeys his teachers and study with heartily.
So, hi guys, my name is Karthik Soroth and I am here to present my topic Teachers Day. So, guys, when I talk about Teachers Day we celebrate in the behalf of Sripalli Radhakrishnan. So, guys, who is Sripalli Radhakrishnan? When I asked you who is Sripalli Radhakrishnan is our second president of India and first vice president of India. So, guys, he was born in 1888, 5 September 1888, and he had died in 1975. So guys, in my happy Teachers Day from my side. Thank you.
Today I am here to tell you something about my topic. My topic is Teacher Day. We are all celebrate Teacher Day 5 September and Sarpalli Radhakrishnan birthday on that day. And Sarpalli Radhakrishnan first vice president of India and second president of India also. All teachers are given me educated and support me on my life, and many students are not respect teachers and they know this reason behind it, they not success in your life, and we are all respect the teacher. That's all. Thank you.